So you guys, I broke down in the worst possible place you could ever break down. Check it out. So I have a car on both sides of me. Look at this. Check this out. Everybody's out of here. Oh, here comes my security buddy again. I can't find a tow truck. I legit can't find a tow truck.
Well, we tried to jump it.
It wouldn't do nothing. But I can't find a tow truck. Like, I'm gonna have to have my man come pick me up because my phone's dead. And so to give you guys the rundown, I'm in a parking garage and no tow truck in this area fits in here. So that's a whole other problem. Yesterday, my window stopped rolling up. So now I gotta get my dash cam, all my valuables, my Alexa, all that. Well, I'm neutrally out of the parking garage, but now I'm fucking stuck right here. So... Oh, I love you. Car. I love you, my beautiful car. And I seriously can't make this shit up. I towed this motherfucker all the way home. Oh, and now it's running again. I hate my life.